Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is one of those videos where on the one hand I can't believe I've never done it, and on the other hand I'm like, is this even worth a video? But these are my favorite kinds of hot dogs, so there you go. You want to start out with a plate with some water. You want to put your vegetarian wieners, I don't know how you say it in English. You want to put them on the plate and microwave them for around 30 seconds so they get a little bit warmed up. Then you want to take the buns and you want to cut them open. You don't want to cut them completely, but leave a little bit of the edge there. Then I like to take some ketchup and put it on one side. And I like to spread it out quite nicely and evenly. And on the other side, I like to add mustard. And I love mustard, so I usually use a little bit more than other people do. Next up, we have these kind of like pre-made onions. They're kind of like fried onions or something like that. So I like to add a layer of that and then the sausages. And then I like to cut up some small pickles and use those in there as well. I like to cut them down into thinner slices and just add them at the base there. Then I like to add a little bit more of those onions, and that's basically it. It's not very healthy, but we all have been there. You know, this is a very easy summer meal because it's not that warm and it fills you up. So yeah, this is like the only way to do hot dogs for me personally. Let me know what your favorite way is and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!